Hi, I'm Shivam Murugan, owner of the house. I'm glad to have Elite Elevators as a part of my home. When I'm thinking about elevators, it's come in my mind is the first point, the safety. Elite Elevators is really trustable because the door sensor is very high sense, which is very safety for the kids, even for the elderlies. Even any electric power cuttage or any troubleshoots or anything, elevators, the lift it will come down straight away to ground floor and it will open the door. So I think that's the most important safety for the choosing. And it's really impressive. The design itself is really good, and then we no need to make a mega renovation or something. It can easily fit even though it's ready built house. So that one is a good. As I know, Elite Elevators already in the market for so long, and then early when we talk to the Elite Elevators consultant, everything is promising. So that's why we choose Elite Elevators. I can recommend my friends and families, relatives, because this one is really good. And then even the team itself, they assisting us in choosing what type, because I think there's many products, so they can assist us to choose which product is suitable for our home, and it's really comfortable to working with them also.